Revolutionizing oncology, quantum computing and AI collaboration aims to uncover universal cancer cure by 2030. Date: January 31, 2025. Overview. The collaboration between artificial intelligence AI and quantum computing represents a groundbreaking advancement in the field of oncology with a target of discovering a universal cancer cure by 2030. This innovative partnership seeks to tackle the significant challenges in cancer treatment and drug discovery, particularly focusing on undruggable cancer proteins such as KRAS, which are involved in a substantial number of human cancers. Key developments and use cases. 1. AI enhancements in cancer detection and treatment. AI technology has evolved significantly in enhancing cancer detection capabilities, particularly through the sophisticated analysis of medical imaging. Utilizing deep learning algorithms, AI systems have demonstrated remarkable accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities in identifying anomalies within medical images. Recent reports indicate that over 20 AI models have received FDA approval for mammography screening, underscoring AI's pivotal role in early cancer diagnosis. Furthermore, AI optimizes clinical trial processes, refining patient recruitment and eligibility criteria, thereby facilitating personalized medicine approaches. 2. Quantum computing's role in drug discovery. A landmark study co-led by researchers from the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine showcased the potential of integrating quantum computing with AI to discover new drug targets. The research focused on the KRAS protein, notorious for its mutations in various cancers, and employed a hybrid model that combined classical computing methods with quantum capabilities. This approach resulted in the identification of promising molecules that effectively target KRAS, marking a significant leap in addressing previously deemed undruggable proteins. 3. Collaboration across academia and industry. The partnership between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine exemplifies the power of collaborative expertise in accelerating drug discovery. This alliance aims to overcome the limitations of traditional drug discovery methods, which are often lengthy and costly. By integrating AI and quantum computing, researchers intend to significantly expedite the preclinical phase of drug development. Common key points. Essential tools. Both AI and quantum computing are recognized as vital tools in transforming cancer treatment and drug discovery processes. Focus on undruggable proteins. The emphasis on targeting undruggable proteins, particularly KRAS, highlights a critical research area given that these proteins account for a considerable percentage of cancer-related mutations. Need for efficiency. Across various sources, there is a consensus on the urgent necessity for faster and more efficient drug discovery methods. Differences in perspectives. AI in diagnostics versus quantum computing in drug discovery. While some sources highlight AI's advancements in improving diagnostic accuracy in clinical trial processes, others emphasize the pioneering application of quantum computing in drug discovery, especially in targeting specific proteins. Access to information. One source remains inaccessible, suggesting potential insights into the overarching theme of technology integration in oncology. Timeline of events. 2023, the utilization of AI systems in oncology increases with numerous FDA-approved models aimed at enhancing cancer detection. October 2023, publication of findings demonstrating AI's positive impact on clinical trials and patient outcomes. January 2025, a pivotal study published in Nature Biotechnology showcases the successful integration of AI and quantum computing to target KRAS, marking a significant advancement in the journey towards developing treatments for challenging cancers. Detailed insights from each source. Source 1. The article from IoT World Today discusses the collaboration between quantum computing and AI specifically for targeting undruggable cancer proteins, emphasizing the groundbreaking nature of this research. Source 2. According to Pharmacy Times, AI's role in oncology extends beyond diagnostics. It also optimizes clinical trials and enhances treatment personalization, spotlighting AI's transformative potential in the healthcare sector. Source 3, the University of Toronto News highlights the specifics of the study led by Alan Aspiroguzik detailing how the integration of quantum computing with generative AI has enabled the identification of effective molecules against KRAS, which has long been a challenging target in cancer treatment. Conclusion: the intersection of AI and quantum computing in oncology holds transformative potential for cancer treatment and drug discovery. As research progresses towards the ambitious goal of discovering a universal cancer cure by 2030, these technologies promise to enhance early detection, refine treatment protocols, and expedite the drug discovery process. This collaboration not only aims to overcome long-standing barriers in cancer care but also aspires to change the landscape of oncology, offering renewed hope for millions affected by cancer. The content reveals several counterintuitive insights regarding the intersection of quantum computing, AI, and oncology, particularly in the context of drug discovery and cancer treatment. Here are some key points. 1. AI's role versus human expertise. While AI is increasingly capable of detecting anomalies and optimizing processes, it does not replace the nuanced understanding and expertise of healthcare providers. This suggests that a more effective approach in oncology involves collaboration rather than replacement, which may contradict the narrative that AI will entirely revolutionize healthcare by rendering human expertise obsolete. 2. Quantum computing's current limitations. The research highlights that the integration of quantum computing in drug discovery does not yet demonstrate a clear advantage over classical methods. This counterintuitive point emphasizes that while quantum computing holds great potential, its current applications may not outperform traditional methods, challenging the expectation that quantum capabilities will immediately lead to groundbreaking advancements in oncology. 3. Prevalence of undruggable proteins. The assertion that up to 85% of human proteins are considered undruggable is striking. This indicates that the majority of potential therapeutic targets in cancer treatment are inherently difficult to address with current methodologies, underscoring the challenges faced in drug discovery. 4. Regulatory challenges for AI tools. Despite the rapid advancement and adoption of AI technologies in oncology, there are significant regulatory hurdles that must be navigated. The notion that AI can be seamlessly integrated into healthcare practices overlooks the complexities associated with regulatory compliance and the evolving nature of AI algorithms, which may change as new data becomes available. 5. Optimizing drug discovery versus drug efficacy. The studies presented show the potential to expedite the drug discovery process but do not guarantee that the drugs identified through these new methods will be more effective than those discovered through traditional means. This suggests that speed in drug development does not necessarily equate to improved patient outcomes, which is a crucial aspect often overlooked in discussions about technological advancements. 6. Hybrid approaches. The collaboration between quantum computing and classical methods might seem redundant at first glance, but it points to a more nuanced understanding of how complex biological systems can be tackled. The idea that combining old and new technologies can yield better results may counter the prevailing belief that newer technologies alone will solve long-standing problems in oncology. 7. Impact of AI on clinical trials. AI's role in optimizing patient recruitment for clinical trials is often celebrated, but there is a suggestion that this could lead to an oversimplification of patient diversity and needs. The reliance on algorithms may inadvertently overlook the complexities of patient backgrounds and conditions, challenging the assumption that AI can fully capture the intricacies of human health. 8. Funding and collaboration. The reliance on institutional and governmental funding for research underscores the idea that innovation in healthcare is not solely driven by private enterprise or technological prowess. This challenges the narrative that the most groundbreaking advancements are exclusively the product of for-profit entities or startups. 9. The nature of research findings. The studies presented are framed as proof of principle, indicating that while promising, they do not yet constitute definitive breakthroughs. This highlights a more cautious optimism about the pace of innovation in oncology, suggesting that the timeline for significant advancements may be longer than anticipated. These counterintuitive points provide a richer understanding of the complexities involved in leveraging AI and quantum computing in oncology, highlighting the multifaceted nature of progress in the field. The report on the collaboration between artificial intelligence AI and quantum computing in oncology is ambitious and significant, aiming to uncover a universal cancer cure by 2030. While many aspects of the report highlight the transformative potential of combining these technologies, several important content elements may be overlooked which are critical to understanding the implications of this research. 1. Focus on undruggable proteins, especially KRAS. One of the most significant aspects of this report is its emphasis on targeting undruggable proteins like KRAS. KRAS mutations are implicated in approximately 25% of all human cancers, yet there are only 2 FDA-approved drugs that target this mutation, and these offer limited benefits. The urgency of developing new therapies targeting KRAS cannot be overstated, as this protein is central to many cancer types. The synergy of AI and quantum computing represents a novel approach to this challenge, providing hope where traditional drug discovery methods have failed. This focus may be overlooked because discussions often center on the broader capabilities of AI and quantum computing without recognizing the specificity of the cancer targets being pursued. 2. Integration of classical and quantum approaches. The collaboration between classical computing and quantum methods is another critical detail that deserves more attention. The report indicates that researchers combined a quantum computer with classical computing methods to design new molecules targeting KRAS. This hybrid approach is significant because it showcases how quantum computing can enhance rather than replace existing computational methods. The potential for quantum computing to improve drug discovery processes is a key point that may be overshadowed by a general enthusiasm for quantum technology. Recognizing this integration is vital for understanding how advancements in one area can complement and enhance traditional methods, potentially leading to faster and more effective drug discovery. 3. Quantitative modeling and dataset utilization. The use of a custom-built dataset containing 1.1 million molecules, including 650 experimentally validated ones, is a notable point that demonstrates the scale of data-driven research in this context. This dataset is not just a collection of random compounds but is specifically curated to optimize the search for KRAS inhibitors. Understanding the significance of such extensive data utilization may be overlooked as discussions about AI often focus on its general capabilities rather than the specific methodologies and datasets that make such breakthroughs possible. The ability to harness large datasets effectively is crucial for making accurate predictions in drug discovery, and this aspect helps illustrate the sophistication of the research being conducted. 4. Potential for accelerated drug discovery. The report discusses how the integrated AI and quantum computing approach can potentially shorten the preclinical phase of drug discovery by years, yet the implications of this acceleration are profound and deserve further emphasis. Reduced timelines in drug development not only have economic implications but also ethical ones, potentially allowing patients quicker access to novel therapies. This acceleration could lead to faster responses to emerging cancer treatment needs and adapt to new cancer mutations more dynamically. The broader impact on healthcare systems and patient outcomes may not be fully appreciated without a deeper discussion of these implications. 5. A collaboration between academia and industry. The collaboration between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine is a prime example of how academic institutions and industry can work together to drive innovation. This partnership is significant because it brings together different expertise, resources, and perspectives that can lead to groundbreaking advancements that neither entity might achieve independently. The importance of such collaborations may be overshadowed by the focus on technology itself, but it is essential for driving real-world applications of research findings. 6. Regulatory and ethical considerations. While the report highlights the technological advancements, it also hints at the regulatory challenges associated with AI in drug discovery.
The FDA's efforts to establish monitoring frameworks for AI technologies are crucial for ensuring the safety and efficacy of these new tools in clinical settings.
Discussions about the implications of regulatory frameworks and ethical considerations related to AI use in healthcare are often minimal, yet they are vital for understanding how these technologies can be integrated into existing medical practices responsibly and effectively. 7. Future directions beyond KRAS. The report mentions that the researchers plan to apply their hybrid quantum classical model to other undruggable protein targets. This forward-thinking approach indicates a broader ambition that extends beyond a singular target. However, this potential for expansion may be overlooked in favor of immediate results. Understanding that this research could pave the way for breakthroughs in multiple areas of oncology broadens the significance of the work being done and highlights the importance of addressing various cancer-related challenges simultaneously. In conclusion, while the report presents a promising outlook on the integration of AI and quantum computing in the quest for cancer cures, several critical points may not receive the attention they warrant. The focus on targeting undruggable proteins like KRAS, the integration of computational methods, the utilization of large datasets, the potential for accelerated drug discovery, the importance of collaborative efforts, and the need for regulatory considerations are all vital elements that underscore the transformative potential of this research. Acknowledging these aspects is essential for a comprehensive understanding of how these technologies might reshape the landscape of oncology in the near future. 1. AI's role in cancer detection and treatment. The integration of AI technologies in oncology has significantly enhanced cancer detection, showcasing the potential of deep learning algorithms to analyze medical images with precision that surpasses human capabilities. With over 20 FDA-approved AI models for mammography screening, AI is not only facilitating early cancer detection but also optimizing clinical trial processes, refining patient recruitment, and aiding in personalized medicine. These advancements highlight AI's transformative impact on improving diagnostic accuracy and patient outcomes, making it a pivotal component in the contemporary oncology landscape. 2. Quantum computing's potential in drug discovery. The collaboration between quantum computing and AI presents a groundbreaking opportunity in drug discovery, particularly for targeting undruggable proteins like KRAS, which are responsible for significant cancer mutations. Research from the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine illustrates how a hybrid model combining classical and quantum computing can efficiently identify new drug candidates. This approach not only accelerates the drug discovery pipeline but also addresses previously insurmountable challenges in targeting complex cancer proteins, showcasing the potential for significant advancements in treatment options. 3. Collaborative efforts between academia and industry. The partnership between academic institutions and industry players, exemplified by the collaboration between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine, underscores the importance of shared expertise in advancing cancer research. This synergy aims to overcome the limitations of traditional drug discovery methods, which are often time-consuming and costly. By harnessing the strengths of both AI and quantum computing, researchers can significantly reduce the preclinical phase of drug development, ultimately expediting the delivery of innovative therapies to patients. 4. Addressing the challenges of undruggable proteins. The focus on targeting undruggable proteins like KRAS highlights a critical area of research in oncology. With a significant percentage of human cancers driven by mutations in these proteins, the urgent need for effective therapies is clear. The use of AI and quantum computing not only facilitates the identification of new drug candidates but also represents a paradigm shift in how researchers approach the complexities of cancer biology. As the research progresses, the ultimate goal of uncovering a universal cancer cure by 2030 becomes increasingly attainable, driven by these technological advancements. 1. The Manhattan Project, 1942–1945. The Manhattan Project was a research and development project during World War II that produced the first nuclear weapons. It involved collaboration among scientists, engineers, and military personnel, bringing together some of the greatest minds in physics and engineering. The project utilized cutting-edge technologies of the time, including advancements in nuclear physics and engineering akin to how quantum computing and AI are harnessed today to tackle complex problems in oncology.
The Manhattan Project's successful culmination was the atomic bomb, which drastically altered the course of the war and global politics.
2. The Human Genome Project 1990 to 2003. The Human Genome Project was an international scientific research initiative aimed at mapping all the genes in the human genome. This massive collaboration involved scientists and institutions from around the world, utilizing innovative sequencing technologies and computing power. The project transformed the field of genetics and medicine, enabling significant advancements in personalized medicine and cancer treatment. The integration of AI and quantum computing in oncology mirrors the collaborative and technological approaches seen in the Human Genome Project, as both aim to decode complex biological data to improve human health. 3. The Apollo Program 1961 to 1972. The Apollo program was a series of missions conducted by NASA with the goal of landing humans on the Moon and returning them safely to Earth. It was marked by significant technological advances, including the development of new materials, computing technologies, and engineering solutions. The program required extensive collaboration among scientists, engineers, and government agencies. Much like the current efforts in oncology that combine AI and quantum computing. The successful Apollo 11 mission in 1969 not only achieved its goal but also spurred technological and scientific advancements that have had lasting impacts on various fields, including medicine and computing. The collaboration between artificial intelligence, AI, and quantum computing is on the verge of fundamentally transforming oncology, with a target of discovering a universal cancer cure by 2030. This ambitious endeavor aims to tackle significant challenges in cancer treatment, especially concerning the targeting of difficult-to-drug proteins such as KRAS, which are implicated in a large proportion of human cancers. Key predictions for the future of oncology. 1. Enhanced cancer detection and diagnosis. By 2030, AI is expected to be the cornerstone of cancer diagnostics. Advanced algorithms will surpass the capabilities of human radiologists in identifying cancerous cells in medical images. AI systems will integrate with electronic health records to provide real-time risk assessments, potentially leading to earlier interventions and improved patient outcomes. With ongoing FDA approvals for AI-driven diagnostic tools, we anticipate a significant reduction in false negatives, thereby enhancing early detection rates. 2. Revolutionize drug discovery processes. The integration of quantum computing into drug discovery is anticipated to drastically shorten the timeline for developing new cancer therapies. Leveraging quantum algorithms, researchers will be able to model complex biological interactions with unprecedented precision, enabling the identification of novel drug candidates that target previously undruggable proteins like KRAS. As quantum technology matures, the drug discovery process could be reduced from years to mere months, revolutionizing how cancer treatments are developed and brought to market. 3. Personalized medicine at scale. The future of oncology will heavily lean towards personalized medicine, driven by AI's ability to analyze vast datasets, including genomic information, patient histories, and treatment outcomes. By 2030, it is likely that treatment plans will be tailored to individual patients based on their unique biological data, optimizing therapeutic efficacy while minimizing side effects. This shift will be facilitated by AI systems that continuously learn and adapt to new data, ensuring that treatments remain cutting edge. 4. Collaboration between academia and industry. The partnership model exemplified by institutions like the University of Toronto and biotech firms such as Insilico Medicine will become increasingly common. This collaborative approach will expedite research and development processes, enabling rapid transitions from laboratory findings to clinical applications. By fostering an ecosystem where academic research informs practical applications, the journey from discovery to treatment will be streamlined. 5. Addressing undruggable proteins. As highlighted in recent research, the focus on challenging cancer targets like KRAS will yield breakthroughs in treatment options. With AI and quantum computing working in tandem, the identification and optimization of molecules that can effectively bind to these targets will become a reality. By 2030, we can expect to see several new therapies emerging that directly target these previously insurmountable proteins, leading to better outcomes for patients with aggressive cancer types. 6. Ethical and regulatory frameworks. As AI and quantum computing technologies become more prevalent in oncology, the establishment of robust ethical and regulatory frameworks will be critical. By 2030, we anticipate the development of comprehensive guidelines that govern the use of AI in healthcare, ensuring patient safety and data privacy. Regulatory bodies like the FDA will adapt to the evolving landscape, establishing monitoring systems for AI-driven tools to ensure their efficacy and safety in clinical settings. 7. Expansion of clinical trials. AI will play a vital role in optimizing clinical trial designs, improving patient recruitment processes, and ensuring diverse participant representation. By 2030, AI-enhanced platforms will streamline the identification of eligible patients, reduce recruitment timelines, and enhance the overall efficiency of clinical trials. This will likely lead to more rapid approvals for innovative therapies, accelerating the availability of new treatments to patients. Conclusion. The collaboration between AI and quantum computing represents a paradigm shift in oncology with the potential to revolutionize cancer treatment and drug discovery. By 2030, advancements in these technologies are expected to yield significant improvements in cancer detection, personalized treatment strategies, and the development of therapies targeting undruggable proteins. The integration of academic and industry expertise, coupled with the establishment of ethical and regulatory frameworks, will further enhance the impact of these innovations. The future of oncology is poised for transformative change, bringing hope for a universal cancer cure within the next decade.